This is where your design starts to feel like something you'd see in a high-end portfolio. Today, how to create cinematic frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start by inserting a wide rectangular frame and place your image inside, cropping it to emphasize the subject and remove distractions. Now add a second smaller frame slightly off to the side to build narrative balance. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create cinematic depth. Select the background and apply a dark gradient or moody tone for atmosphere. Add subtle blur overlays and shadow effects to enhance the film-like feel.